Are you ready to say A, B, C, D? Do it one more time. A, B, C, D. Connor. Say it, honey. Okay. Say A, B, C, D. Can you say it? Connor. A, B, C, D. Let me hear it. Let me hear you say A, B, C, D. Yeah, one more time. A, B, C, D. What's on your thumb? Say A, B, C, D. Yeah, good job. High five, Connor. Good job, sweetie.